Do your plants always end up, well, looking like this? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I've got 5 super easy houseplants that even the most plant-challenged person can keep alive. First up, the snake plant. This plant thrives on neglect seriously. You can forget to water it for weeks, and it'll still love you. Plus, it helps purify the air. Just give it low to bright light and water once every 2 to 3 weeks. That's it. Next, we have pothos, aka the plant that won't die. It grows like crazy, tolerates low light, and tells you when it needs water. When the leaves droop, give it a drink. Easy peasy. The ZZ plant is practically indestructible. It doesn't need much sunlight, and you only need to water it once a month. If you want a set it and forget it plant, this is the one. The spider plant is super cute and produces little baby plants that you can share with friends. It's happy in indirect light, and even if you forget to water it for a bit, it bounces right back. Last but not least, the peace lily. It's one of the few plants that actually tells you when it needs water. Its leaves droop dramatically. Keep it in low to moderate light, water when droopy, and enjoy its beautiful white flowers. Although these plants are super easy to care for, some of them can be toxic to pets. Here's what you need to know. Spider plant. Totally pet-friendly and great for cat lovers. Snake plant, mildly toxic, can cause vomiting and drooling if eaten. Pothos. Irritates the mouth and can cause vomiting. ZZ plant. Can cause irritation and digestive issues. Peace lily. Toxic and causes drooling and difficulty swallowing. Don't worry, here are some gorgeous pet-friendly plants instead. You can still have beautiful, easy care plants without worrying about your pets. Try these instead. Calathea. Colorful and safe for pets. Boston fern. Air purifying and fluffy. Areca palm. Tropical vibes with no toxicity. So, if you've struggled with plants before, whether you're a plant newbie or a pet parent, there's a perfect plant for you. Start with one of these. They're forgiving, beautiful, and low maintenance, perfect for beginners. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe for more plant tips.